Nubia Z60S Pro Global version 5G smartphone is a cutting-edge device that combines advanced technology, powerful performance, and exceptional design to deliver a premium user experience. At the heart of the Nubia Z60S Pro is its revolutionary Neovision AI Photography 2.0, which brings a host of AI-powered features to elevate your photography experience. The Nubia Z60S Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which includes an overclocked main CPU core and GPU for unparalleled performance. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications, this smartphone delivers smooth and responsive performance. The device runs on MyOS 14.0, based on Android 14, offering a user-friendly interface and powerful software features that adapt to your needs. The Nubia Z60S Pro features a large 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals and vibrant colors for an immersive viewing experience. With a peak brightness of up to 1,200 nits, the display remains clear and visible even in bright outdoor conditions. The inclusion of eye-safe technology ensures comfortable viewing during prolonged use, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, or browsing. Battery life is another strong suit of the Nubia Z60S Pro, thanks to its 5,100 mAh battery and 8OW fast charging capability. This combination ensures that the device can keep up with your busy lifestyle, offering long-lasting power and quick recharging times. The smartphone also features Longxi durable glass, which not only enhances its sleek design but also provides scratch resistance, making it durable enough for outdoor adventures. The device features a 35mm optical lens paired with a 50MP sensor, ensuring exceptional photo quality with true-to-life colors and sharp details. Additionally, the 50MP ultra-wide camera and 8MP telephoto lens provide versatility, allowing users to capture breathtaking landscapes, detailed close-ups, and everything in between. The Nubia Z60S Pro comes with a comprehensive package, including the smartphone, power charger, Type-C cable, screen protector, case, SIM card tool, quick start guide, and warranty card. This ensures that users have everything they need to get started right out of the box.